I'm going to talk about justice. What's the right thing to do? Okay, if you put a group of people and you ask them what is the political society that they're willing to endorse, and you give them the option of utilitarianism, which will might require the maximum sacrifice of net pleasure for some people, and it would be that they might themselves be abused. Uh, and the other one would be feudalism. Feudalism would be knights, serfs, and peasants. Okay, if they endorse this one, they might say this one, and whenever the bell of ignorance is revealed, they might say no, not this one, because this one is if you're a peasant, you're gonna be a peasant forever. If you are a king, you're gonna be a king forever. So they're gonna say no to this one. The second one is libertarianism, which is not a very good choice because the rich will become very rich and they will uh, agree to policies that will enrich them in many ways, and the poor people will be poor, but they will have a way to become maybe a little bit richer, but at the end they will not have like too much power, but much power. The people that with more money will have more power than them, so they're going to say no to this one. So at the end we have the re- Rexian egalitarianism or poverty owning democracy. This is the one that they're going to choose because it promotes liberty of principles, which is everyone's entitled to most expensive systems of facility to this. Okay. The other one is equal opportunity of principle, which it will require a non-discrimination law to prevent blocking people from fairly competing according to heritable traits such as race or sex. And it will also access to education such that children born in poor families and poor school systems are not at unfair disadvantage compared to children born in rich families. The difference principle inequality where it equal are justifiable only when they were to be benefited and released well off, which is, for example, if a person works as much as they should be working, they will get much like a lot. And a person that is working in for another example, I'm gonna give if like an example of someone that is like an engineer, they're gonna make more that they should be doing in another country. For example, if another place with a different system, but a person that works as a maybe as a waiter of a dishwasher is going to have more than they should be having. So that's a good system. And the second argument for Rawls is the principle of justice, the intuitive argument. The intuitive argument is very similar to the first argument of Rawls. How the realms what's the right thing to do, the original position in intuitive position are very similar because the intuitive position says that a time period that happens in life uh, is like past and present. So in the past was the feudal society, then it was the liberator society, and then it was the meritocracy, and then right now we are in the Ruslan property owning democracy. Okay, yes, the intuitive arguments says that based on what time you are living and the talents that you have in that time are the ones that will promote the wealth and the way that you live. That's it. Thank you very much.